Hello guys, today I will show you a few little things you can do to increase your NVIDIA graphics card performance with absolute zero risk of reducing its lifetime or its stability. First, you need the program MSI Afterburner. Just Google MSI Afterburner download and the first link should be the right one to download. The link can also be found in the description. Now, install MSI Afterburner and run it. The first thing you wanna do is unlock voltage control, unlock voltage monitoring and force constant voltage. A constant voltage will help you with FPS stutters. Voltage is a main factor for maintaining the rates at which your GPU works. Giving the GPU a constant voltage will reduce performance leaks. The second thing we wanna do is slide up the fan power limit. It will also slide up the temp limit. Temperature control is another very important factor in maintaining performance. The higher the temperature, the more performance will be lost. So increasing the GPU's fan's power will decrease the temperature when your GPU has to work a lot. A lower temperature means that it will maintain a higher performance and thus decrease microstuttering and even increase FPS. If you increase the power limit on the fans, it will only increase the voltage on the fans, not your graphics card. To maintain even lower temperatures under pressure, we will also adjust the curve at which the fans will start to cool down your GPU. Simply open the fan tab in the MSI Afterburner settings and delete all dots except 2. You can just click them and press delete. This will ensure a lower temperature of the GPU since the fans will start to boost up faster with the straight line than with the curve before. Make sure to check the Windows button. When this button is highlighted, the program will load up the settings on the startup of your computer. The third thing we want to do is go to the NVIDIA control panel. Here, you want to manage 3D settings. Scroll down a bit. At Power Management mode, select Prefer Maximum Performance. A little bit lower is the Texture Filtering Quality setting. Here, you want to pick High Performance. This will in no way decrease the quality of your textures or games. It will simply tell the card to run at higher power frequencies, and with that it will maintain higher performance, less FPS drops and less stuttering. Congratulations, your performance of your GPU has now been boosted without decreasing its lifetime or stability. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter or comment below. Nice. See ya.